for those who don't subscribing, just click the subscribe button. And for those who did not like and click like for this video. And today, we are going to react the 2 months the series, which is a criminal series in the world, as I know. And today we have a guest, so let's call them. This guest is Wendy, the winner of our Miss Engineering with the BR Engineering students. And our second guest is a DJ in a certain radio station, and let's call him Dennis!
Hi guys!
Say sawadee ka because in the so in the girl ka, in the boy crap. Sawadee crap. Let's do this thing. Sawadee crap.
Sawadee ka! What's this?
That's the way the Thai have their letters.
Okay.
Nagwapo ko siya ay. Bayot? Bayot?
No.
Bayot?
Is that a basketball player?
Oo.
Probably.
Oh my God.
Pala, cinematic na ba?
Bayot?
Turn away po. Sa buhok. Oh. Crush ba niya? Do you feel that way na nakakikubahay ka tapos yung
Wala naman siya nanggot.
Na.
Wala naman na.
Siya ba yun o isa?
Wala sila bayot.
Saan ba ba yun? Sa personal life pa na sa lalaki.
Nagwapo kayo eh.
Kapag yung hello. Yo. Ikwan. Gawin siya na. Ano siya si Nick, kani si Bayo. Meron kayo, ikaw sa ipusap. Hala guys, bukis na sila guys!
Wala ka na ako mag-kiss na. It's normal. Normal mo na mag-kiss na.
Kabulong mo, kada itong laki kay Kwan. Siya si Dr. Pana, di ba? Pipa. Ang ilang kuya kay Piman, noong ina kay Mahmud.
O saan sa silahan?
Oh, ay dili sa College of Science ang si Wayo tapos si Kwan. Kasi Pipa kay College of doctor o medicine.
Sa lasa na, kasi man tayo.
Silang duha. Kato, yung pong barkada kay Juan. Barkada pala ning
Pasa na
doctor.
kayo bahay sa luwa.
Kanina lang Juan, basketball player.
Sa kakantaw.
AMG ba ako? Saya nga.
Ngamin na siya nga tayo na ayun siya na.
Yan ang best friend yung game na.
Pero kabalo na siya nga. Lataw. Siya, kabalo siya kapag eh.
Hindi, wala pa. By the way guys, we're at our reaction about 2 months the series. The two has their reaction, our opinion. So let's start from Dennis. What is your reaction after watching the series?
So my reaction is, in watching a movie series from Thailand, right? Thailand. I don't know that two boys can do that separate the same thing, and I don't know that people in our world today can make mistakes. It's so weird, you know. It's so weird, right?
What's your reaction?
It's the same thing. So my opinion is I'm so kidding. Oh my god.
The kilig means
So
romance. I don't know how to translate it from. It is a Tagalog word is kilig, which is as shaded in English, romance. It is a feeling, okay?
I feel so many butterflies in this. Oh my god! I can imagine they can do that thing. In the Philippines, here in the Philippines, is many discriminate that movie. They ban it here, and I can imagine in Thailand they can create like that
Series.
series. That's my opinion and my reactions about that movie or that series.
Thank you for your presence, sir. I hope that we can do more reaction about the Thai movies or Thai BL movies. You know, BL Boys Love. I love watching BL movies because I am one of them. Thank you for watching!
Please subscribe and hit like.
Just click here to subscribe.